I'm Matt.
I'm Adam.
Andy.
All right, so we started out pretty basic, counting all the parts, getting everything organized there, and then we started sketching a few ideas. Our sketches, we're not really sure of the direction of the robot, and so that was probably one of our biggest shortcomings. Is we just started building without any idea, and we just kind of we kind of built something and then fixed it to fit what we had going next, which was a very poor way to do it, and so it's learning for what we're going to do next time. And so you can see we started building here, robot there. Basically, because we had no forethought, all our designs basically failed. Like 95% of it failed. This was more of a learning experience for us probably than any other group in here about how to fail and then how to fix it and then how to fail again. But first we had problems getting all the sensors to work, which was had them in the wrong ports, and then we get them in the right ports. Then we'd use the program to put it to the wrong ports again. And so, again, more fail. It's not the most impressive robot, but I feel we made the most progress with what we've done.
Okay, so preliminary designs. Problems we encountered, the tail drag design, we had probably, I want to say like 4 different designs. We had, one of our first designs was a single wheel in the back that was on a turntable to move around. Then we felt was quite adequate, so we tried double wheels on the back on a turntable, which didn't work very well. So then we tried, I don't know if we have a picture up here, we tried doing a plastic wheel on the turntable, which worked all right, but then we couldn't get enough traction. So eventually we went to the final design that we have that you'll see. Sensor glitches, we had a lot of different glitches. At one point we'd have one sensor working and another one would fail. Then we'd fix that sensor and then another sensor would go wrong. Just a complete learning experience. It ended up being a lot of having to learn the programming and how it worked properly.
For comparing design, we changed our robot for several times due to sensor malfunction and instability for our tail drag design. Our first design, which is this one, and we use a very small plastic wheel, but it's doesn't turn very right wheel. So then we changed back to the rubber wheel, this one, and we use a turntable here, so this wheel can turn any direction when robot moves. But we noticed the problem is when we make it run, the robot won't go straight, so it doesn't work well. So then we got one more design, which is the final design. We make a vertical tail drag. We make the robot be sharp and it's easy to turn.
Although it doesn't turn anymore because we basically ran out of time to fix those glitches.
Alright, and here's a look at our final design. And like they talked about, basically a lot of failed attempts, and then we decided to shorten up the robot. We had the back end, about 6 inches further out, so we shortened it up. It did turn a little bit better, but we decided to program one with no turns in it. And after we finally got a successful model and the program worked, we were happy with this. And we named it Short Circuit after the movie because the ultrasonic sensor kind of looks like the head of Johnny Number 5.
Originally, our program was quite different from what it is now. The first picture up there is what our original program looked like, and it was pretty basic. It was basically us dragging and dropping and figuring out what the heck it does. Not only that, but we rearranged our program so it would, instead of start with a clap, it would do other things and programmed it that way. And we had originally wanted to make it turn, and we were having quite a bit of difficulties with that. design. So we decided that just leave the program basic and make sure everything works, the sensors and movement, and just get that down basically.
Alright, let's watch this sucker run.
Okay.
Backwards, and then hopefully it doesn't run off the table. Stop, go forward again until it's a touch sensor.
The light sensor.
The light sensor. Go up here, you'll see it stop right when it hits the edge, then the touch sensor, and then stop it will clap at the end. Pause this for 3 seconds.
Okay. Any question? Yep, thank you.